Odense University Hospital, or OUH, is one of Denmark's 3 large university hospitals. The hospital is located at the center of Odense, Denmark's 3rd largest city. It officially opened in 1912 to serve both Odense city and the county, and ever since it has continuously been adapted to serve current requirements. Today's hospital includes a number of enlargements and extensions, but now it is behind the times. So the region of southern Denmark has decided to build a modern new hospital, 4 kilometers south of the existing one. The new hospital will be located near the motorway, making it more readily accessible to patients from the entire region. It will be easy for ambulances to get to the hospital, and a helicopter landing pad will be constructed close to the emergency department. A light rail connection will convey patients and staff from the center of Odense out to the hospital. And as something unique, the new hospital will be structurally integrated into the University of Southern Denmark and its new Faculty of Health Sciences. The aim is to benefit patients by positioning research and treatment close to one another, a model found in only a few places around the world. The construction project for the new OUH is gigantic. It covers 250,000 square meters, making it the biggest newly built hospital in Denmark. The construction site alone covers 780,000 square meters. The sheer size of the hospital is difficult to imagine. It is half a kilometer's walk from the main entrance at the south to the north end, where it links up to the university. If you continue through the university, it is possible to walk indoors for a total distance of 1.3 kilometers. This equals the length of the main span of the Golden Gate Bridge. To get an impression of the hospital's enormity, we temporarily superimpose it on the center of Odense. Here, it would take up most of the city center. This means that a brand new urban district is under construction, and the science axis, as it is called, is the biggest and most outstanding structural feature of new OUH. This is where the main hospital entrance is located. And entering here brings you to the central corridor, where reception, the blood sampling department and pharmacy are located. The northern access features functions used by both the hospital and the university, such as laboratories and auditoriums. The hospital's various departments are gathered in clinical clusters, working side by side to create coherence in the care pathway of each patient. A fine example of this is the way the departments of orthopedic surgery and geriatrics are placed in the same cluster. When elderly people are injured in a fall, they often have to be treated by an orthopedic surgeon. These falls are frequently symptomatic of an age-related disorder, which can be diagnosed and treated by a geriatrician. At new OUH, the treatment of general and psychiatric disorders will also be conceptually integrated. This explains why the pediatric department will be housed in a cluster with the child and youth psychiatry department. Similarly, adult psychiatry is structurally integrated into new OUH. It will be located here, furthest to the east. The bed wards are placed on the 2nd, 3rd and 4th stories, with a total of 837 beds for both somatic and psychiatric patients. This hospital will have private rooms only, and all rooms will have a view and natural daylight. The hospital's operating rooms will be flexible and can be used by more than one department, thus maximizing operating capacity compared to today. The building project will cost approximately 950 million euros. That's more than $1 billion US. It is scheduled to be completed in 2022. However, hospital requirements are constantly changing. Therefore, the structural design of new OUH is based on a key prerequisite. It must be possible to modify the hospital to meet future requirements at any time.